Meanwhile, the federal government says it is set to commence the repair of the damaged portion of the Abuja-Kaduna rail line, just as it considers recruiting locals for security and black spots on the line. This is according to the Minister of Transportation, Mr. Rotimi Amechi, who was speaking in Kaduna after visiting the victims of Monday's attack by terrorists. He explains that following the directive by the president to fix the rail and make it usable, the ministry has set modalities in place to commence work immediately.
The president has also approved that we should employ people who will be working on the track for the next 6-7 months, within which we should have been able to install the equipment. So we intend to employ villagers that will be working on the track. If they see if there's anything they suspect, they should let us know, so that we can let the security know and the security will move in. All these are measures we will take until we install the security equipment.
Your Excellency, sir, the President had given directive that work should commence
immediately. You can't disobey presidential orders. If you disobey, it's at your own detriment. So work will start immediately. And the military has promised us security while work. It's about between 1 and 2 kilometers of rail
also,
track.
Should Nigerians be expecting to see rail service on Abuja-Kaduna?
I'm not an engineer. Only the engineer will tell you when they will complete the work. And you see, it depends on two things they have to import from overseas. If all the materials are here in Nigeria, then be rest assured it will be completed quickly. Be done by Nigerians and be completed as soon as possible.
Thank you.